Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to let others share your Instagram post on their story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So you want to open your Instagram application and go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. And now just go ahead and click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. So now I want you to scroll down until you see Sharing and Remixes. So just go ahead and click on that. So now you need to make sure that the switch for Allow Post Sharing to Stories is on. That means that people can share your post to their story. Your username will always appear. So that is how you enable Allow Post Sharing to Stories. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.